All right, let's take a look at paragraphs here. So the two of the really the main points that we're going to focus on are topic sentences and supporting sentences and what each of their roles are. So a topic sentence actually does not have to be the first sentence of a paragraph. It often is, but it can be found after an introductory sentence, or it can even be the last sentence of a paragraph. The topic sentence states the subject of the paragraph. It does tend to be more general than the supporting sentences, in that the supporting sentence will provide the detail to back up the topic sentence. The topic sentence also provides unity to a paragraph as it will tie the supporting details together. Okay. Supporting sentences provide examples, facts, and details for the topic sentence. The phrase, for example, should highlight that the author is about to provide an example. Any sentence that begins with, in my opinion, is not a supporting sentence because it's an opinion and not a fact or an example. Okay. Uh, every paragraph should have a main idea. Each sentence should relate to that main idea. And however, nevertheless, and on the other hand, those phrases are all used to contrast two different ideas. So whenever you see that, so when you see nevertheless, you're about to see a compare and contrast between two ideas. Same thing with on the other hand and however.